Fruits are not the richest sources of iron compared to other food groups, but some do provide a decent amount, especially dried varieties. Here are fruits with the highest iron content. 1. Dried apricots to 2.7 milligrams of iron per 100 grams. 2. Prunes to 0.4 milligrams of iron per 100 grams. 3. Raisins 1.9 milligrams of iron per 100 grams. 4. Mulberries 1.9 milligrams of iron per 100 grams. 5. Dates 1 milligram of iron per 100 grams. Fresh fruits also contain smaller amounts of iron. Pomegranate approximately 0.3 milligrams of iron per 100 grams. Watermelon approximately 0.2 milligrams of iron per 100 grams. Berries, blackberries, raspberries 0.6 to 0.7 milligrams of iron per. To enhance iron absorption from fruits, pair them with vitamin C-rich options like oranges, strawberries, or kiwis. Vitamin C improves the body's ability to absorb non-heme iron from plant-based sources.